Let's make some homemade Cheetos or crisp cheese twists. For this, we will need 1 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of yellow cornmeal, 1/4 cup of shortening, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, water, grated Parmesan cheese or mozzarella cheese. In a large bowl, mix flour, cornmeal, and salt. With a pastry blender or hand, put in the shortening and the cheddar cheese until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. With a fork, stir in 1/3 cup of water. With hand, shape the dough into ball. If mixture is too dry, add more water, a teaspoon at a time, until moist enough to hold together. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Put the dough between two 15-inch long sheets of waxed paper. With a rolling pin, roll half a pastry into 12-inch by 10-inch rectangle. With a knife, cut the dough into 5-inch by 1/2 inch strips. Remove each strip, holding ends. Make a twist by turning ends in opposite direction. Lay on the cookie sheet. Press ends to sheet to prevent curling. Bake the twists for 6 to 8 minutes until golden brown. When done, sprinkle lightly with Parmesan cheese and salt and spices to your taste. You get your homemade Cheetos. Bye.